Transform your basement in Spanish Fork, Utah. EagleRidge specializes in turning unfinished basements into beautiful, functional spaces tailored to your lifestyle. Whether you need a space for relaxation, entertainment, or productivity, we bring your vision to life with expert craftsmanship and innovative designs. Explore the possibilities. Home theater, immersive surround sound, and plush seating for the ultimate movie experience. Man cave custom bar, big screen TV, and gaming setup for the perfect retreat. Guest suite, comfortable accommodations with a private bath and kitchenette. Home gym, state-of-the-art workout space with durable flooring and mirrors. Home office, soundproofed, high-speed internet-ready workspace for productivity. Game room, pool table, arcade games, and lounge space for endless fun. Wine cellar, climate-controlled storage with a dedicated tasting area. Library and reading nook, cozy up with warm lighting and custom bookshelves. Your basement holds endless possibilities. EagleRidge is here to transform it into a space that adds value and functionality to your home. Ready to get started? Contact EagleRidge today for a free consultation.